Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have FREEYOND M6 and I want to show you how to remove save mode from this device. To do that, press power key for a second and tap on our power off option, and after we power off it, we must power on it again. We can also tap on restart to be easily, but after we turn off our device, we must turn on it again and then our save mode will be off. And now we must press power key to turn on it again. And after all process, our save mode will be off. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.